guys. Hey. Don't worry about that. I'm Al, Jenny's son. Perhaps you know me as the computer nerd of the group. And I'm here because Mom can't be. She's in Africa. Actually, she's probably doing stuff in Africa too. But I'm here to hang out with you guys, and we're going to open up a new present. I never got to do this before. Mom always does it. But look at this baby. You've seen this. The Jenny Box 2025. Listen. I've been a part of some of the planning, some of the excitement, some of the sales, some of the things going on. I'm excited to see what we got here. Today is day 10. Let's get into it. All right. So a lot of people, they dive right in. That's what I should do. But I like to be a part of this. The packaging is nice. Do you guys ever come from families that don't rip the packaging? I mean, if my grandma was there, that was our house. If my grandma wasn't there, it was normally wrapped in newspaper and we ripped it anyway. So, all right, here's what we got. Day 10, people. Let's see it. Hello. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. You seeing this? So what we've got here, it's a Mancala board. It's a, no it's not. It's a Go board. No it's not. It's a backgammon board. No it's not. It's a charcuterie board that I'm thinking, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking you do grape. Little cream cheese in the middle. That's charcuterie. I mean, a lot of people say you need meat. Jalapeno jelly, maybe, whatever. But you got a nice little serving platter. You put it out there. You can scramble some eggs. You could do a steak right here. Slice. The juice isn't going to get out because of the ridges. I like it a lot. One thing I would recommend. What if you're a vegetarian and you hate grapes? You got nothing to put on here. Well, we got a little hook right on the back. Hang it on your wall, right over your tiny post office box, and it just sits there. It makes my face better, doesn't it? Look at this. So you got a Zoom setup at home. Put this in the back. Put that right in the background. Little hook right there, or do what I do, pull it out, put some food on it. Have a great New Year's Day. See you, everybody.